What's the value of the expression 20 minus 4 times 3 to the power of 2 plus 8 divided by 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question is actually very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. Many people when solving this question start with 20 minus 4 and rewrite this expression as 16 times 3 squared plus 8 divided by 2. Then they move on to 3 squared, which I have highlighted in yellow, and replace this expression with 16 times 9 plus 8 divided by 2. In the next step, they usually go for the multiplication between 16 and 9 and replace this expression with 144 plus 8 divided by 2. Then they add 144 and 8 and rewriting this expression as 152 divided by 2, which finally equals 76. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. But it's not the correct answer. Now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. Alright, first we start with 3 squared, because in this expression, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, instead of the original expression, we can write 20 minus 4 times 9 plus 8 divided by 2. In the next step, we need to go for multiplication and division, since they have a higher priority than addition and subtraction. Okay, it's very important to note that multiplication and division have the same level of priority. And all we need to do here is move from left to right through the expression, performing the multiplication and division as we go. So, first we start with 4 times 9 and write this expression as 20 minus 36 plus 8 divided by 2. In the next step, we move on to the division between 8 and 2 and replace this expression with 20 minus 36 plus 4. Once again, we should remember that addition and subtraction also have the same level of priority. And the best thing to do here is move from left to right through the expression and perform them in order. So, first we do the subtraction between 20 and 36, which simplifies the expression to negative 16 plus 4. And finally, the value of this expression is equal to negative 12. Therefore, option A is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.